Hey, I'm Zach, one of the engineers at Momentic. As we all know, intent testing can be quite painful, and it's really annoying to maintain brittle tests that break anytime a button moves or copy changes. So AI Actions has actually been around for a while. In our previous version, basically an LLM would be called on every single turn, and then the issue with this was that it was slow and non-deterministic. Our new AI Action is a tool-based agent where it's given an initial browser state and then has a series of tools to get state like the browser ally tree and browser screenshots. Then it can act upon the browser by issuing commands to execute steps to help achieve its goal.
So I've gone ahead and opened up the Momentic editor here on Google Flights, and I've created an AI action step here with the goal of searching for flights from SFO to JFK one way for December 20th. And then for a sanity check, we've also got a post condition here that says we're on the flights list page and there's at least one flight available. So I'm going to go ahead and hit run. You'll see here the agent trajectory now pops up, and the agent is evaluating the current page state and now executes multiple steps to get us towards our goal. And I'm going to go ahead and let this run here. So the agent's achieved its goal, and now it's basically saving these steps for next time so that it replays quickly. And then it's also passed this assertions to make sure that it leaves the browser in a state that we expect. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit reset here so that we can replay and see how much faster it is. And as you can see, we've got this clear cache steps, which basically shows us that it is cached. And now we replay, and you can see it's a lot faster. Okay, great. So it's achieved that same goal, just a lot faster now that we've got the cache. So now I'm going to replay again, and I'm just going to demonstrate me messing with it, and then see that the healing agent kicks in. So basically what I'm going to do is run it, and then once it opens the date picker, I'm going to close it, and we'll see what it does. All right, so there we go. We just closed the date picker when I was expecting to replay, and we'll see what happens here. So we've got this auto healing agent. It tells us the error, and it begins to execute this auto healing. In this case, it's smart enough to just retry this. Okay, great. So in this case, it was actually smart enough to realize that basically I had screwed with it, and then was just able to execute that one additional step to reopen the date picker and then resume the replay using the cache from before. So because of that, it was actually still relatively quick. And now it's just going to make sure that it's in a good state. Okay, great. So now it's been able to heal, and it's successfully repaired the step caches so that for the next run it works, and it's also gotten us to the correct state that we want it to be in the first place.
So to recap, AI Actions makes writing tests a lot easier and reduces the maintenance burden thanks to the healing agent. We've also seen up to 25 times speedups on cache runs. So give it a try for free. It works both on web and mobile, and let us know what you think. I would be a starving actor.